Hi guys, today I'm going to show how to fix Valorant freezing in Windows. So before going to the video, please turn on the CC for subtitle. So our first step is to update graphics driver. For that you need to enter into the device manager. Over there you need to enter into the display adapter and your graphics, dedicated graphics, and then update it. Yeah, once you're done, please close it. So our second step is to close background app. For that you need to enter into your task manager, and then you need to enter Google Chrome, Riot client, and then Xbox. If in case you had any other gaming like Valorant, please close it, and the other gaming which takes much memory. So once it's done, our third step is to disable full screen optimization. For that, right click and enter into the properties and then compatibility, and then enable disable full screen optimization, and then click apply and then click OK. Yeah, once it's done, our fourth step is to repair Riot. For that you need to enter into the settings and then apps and then installed apps. Over there please search for Riot and then three dot icon, and then uninstall and install it again. So our fifth step is to update Windows. For that you need to enter into the settings and then update Windows, and then check for update and update it. So our sixth step is to restart your PC. So once it's done, please restart your PC and check whether the issue is solved or not. I'm damn sure it will be solved. So that's it guys. Thank you for watching. For more, subscribe TechTube. Bye bye.